everyone, thanks for stopping back today. Today we're doing a little unboxing video. I got a nice package in. It's a heavy one. This is going to be an unboxing on a refurbished from Bluetti, their AC180 power station. Yes, so there's plenty of unboxing videos out there on YouTube, but I never saw one on the refurb models. So let's see what's the difference on a refurb box. Let me turn this around. Let's get started. All right, it comes in a looks like it comes in a standard box that it would have came in as new. It has the Bluetti logo. It's still sealed up nicely. It came just like this. There was no outer box on it. So let's get this opened up and we'll see what we have. But everything is still sealed. So let's see what's different, if there is any difference between a new versus refurbished. Okay, not cooperating. All right, we've got a box in a box. A box in a box in a box. Yep. And I think I just lost some of my instructions. So here's our first box. AC180 power station user's guide. Set that aside for now. Little box right here. All of our accessories. So this is your AC pigtail, 12-volt cigarette lighter, charger, and the MC4 connectors charger. So standard accessories. And let's get the unit out itself. Nice thick styrofoam padding, packaged well. Here's the unit itself. Let's see if I can pull this out one-handed. Nope. Let me put the camera down. Let me get it out. Okay, everything's out, and this was the little paper that was on the very top. Just a little note from the eBay seller, Bluetti team. So, just nice little piece of customer service there. We'll put that aside, and we have the unit itself. There we go. Take off the package. All right, what do we see? What's not right on this? Anything? Looks good on the front. No scratches or dings. Side, bottom look fine. Back, serial number. No scuffs. Nothing unusual. And the other side. I'll tell you what, there's not a scratch on it. Not a single scratch. Okay, so the true test. Does the unit turn on? Well, let's find out. Hey, hey, hey. 80%. All right, so there we go. I'd have to say pretty much like new AC180. No complaints so far. Lots of testing to happen. This is one piece of a bigger project I'm working on for some off-grid power for our cottage, as well as something I can use here in a motorhome and even at home. So this is going to be a piece of that puzzle. But thanks for stopping by on this unboxing of the refurbed Bluetti AC180. We'll see you on the next one.